So I usually kind of park out front so I can get some free charging on the Volta network. But looks like somebody beat this one up pretty good. In case you ever wondered what's inside one of these, of course, a couple screens in there. If we can see in there. Just a big housing, little exhaust fan up front or up top. Maybe some network cabling. Green light kind of reminds me of a Tesla charger. A grounding strap, and maybe a big fat disconnect. Maybe somebody should disconnect this guy. But that's what they look like when they've been killed.